Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a simple movement you can do if you're trying to recover from an injury. Maybe you've had a lot of bed rest, or you need to stay in the bed, or maybe you're just unable to get down on the floor. The bed is a way to raise the floor up to meet you where you're at. Anyway, I'm going to show you something ridiculously simple that is great for your body. It'll help you heal faster. It'll help tie your body together, and it really can renew your ability to live your life the way you want to be able to get down, up and down off the floor, to be able to go for walks out in nature, spend more time with your family, more quality time. Anyway, this is it. So you use your bed, and this works if somebody has an injury like they've had. Maybe they've had surgery on their knee, or they've injured their shoulder, or they just they've been in an accident, but they're in the bed, but they can sit up. So if you can sit up, this is a good movement to do throughout your day. So all you do is you lay down. You can do a windshield wiper. Look to your right. Gently rotate your legs over. Use your arms to support your body. Pick yourself up. Scooch down to the other side and do the other side. So you just undo it in reverse. And all we're doing is we're rolling, lying down, doing windshield wipers, rolling back, sitting up, and doing both sides. Now, one of the reasons that makes this so great is because we're changing levels. So we're activating our vestibular system by sitting up, laying down, rolling over. It does great things for your vestibular system. And that is one of the ways to keep your body healthy, is to activate your vestibular system. Joan Vernikos, she was one of NASA's head research scientists. She did a lot of research about gravity and how being out of gravity affects the human body. Like, if you're not in gravity, your brain doesn't need muscle, doesn't need bone, so it starts getting rid of stuff. So does being sedentary. When you're sedentary, your body thinks you're out of space. You're not getting any stimulation. You're not really moving against gravity. There's no pull of gravity really to give your body information, because you're not moving. So your body starts getting rid of muscle, starts getting rid of bone, starts getting rid of you. But when you activate the vestibular system, she discovered, well, the body tries to keep muscle, keep bone, build bone. And it helps the body heal faster because there's stimulation, there's activation. And by knocking on that door, you're telling your body, I want you, I want to keep you. So if you're injured and you change levels often, you're activating your vestibular system in so many different ways. Your body says, hey, we need everything working well. Let's put the resources in to make sure that Johnny can still move. Anyway, this is the move. You just lie down. You can throw in that windshield wiper. Use your eyes and your head to rotate. Come on up, sit up. Do the other side so you don't walk in circles all day. And again, if you can't get down on the floor, it's a great way to practice rolling, lying down, sitting up, and it strengthens your body, activates your vestibular system. Just like I said, it helps put you back together. All right, guys, that's my ridiculously simple exercise or movement this week. It's a movement. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. If you are someone trying to heal from something and you are having to spend a lot of time sedentary or in a bed, do this throughout the day. Maybe you pick 1 or 2 minutes several times throughout the day just to practice this, and that is a wonderful way to tell your brain, hey, I want my body. Let's do something to keep it and build it back up. Again, I'm Tim with Original Strength. We'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.